What we have here is a 15 priced under 16. Check out this 2015 Harley-Davidson Softail Heritage in colors Mysterious Red and Cayenne Red. Incredibly nice looking and super popular color combination. It's a 2-year-old bike with right under 11,000 miles on it as of this moment. That'll change a little bit as she is test ridden. I love the traditional style and the older looking leather saddlebags with the chrome dots. Previous owner also put a passenger backrest on it for you, so you don't have to do that. Great bike, great value, and available for test rides 7 days a week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.